Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect MongoDB Atlas with Retool easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, log into your MongoDB Atlas account. If you don't have an account, create one at mongodb.com. Once logged in, navigate to your project's dashboard. Select the project that contains the database you want to connect. In the left sidebar, click on Database Access. Here, ensure you have a database user with appropriate permissions. If you need to create a new user, click on Add New Database User. Fill in the username and password fields as required. Make sure to assign the user roles that suit your needs, typically read and write to any database. Once done, click Add User to save. Next, go to the Network Access section in the left sidebar. Click on Add IP Address to whitelist your current IP or use Allow Access from anywhere if you prefer. Now, head to the Clusters section in the left sidebar. Click on Connect next to the cluster you want to use. Choose Connect Your Application from the options presented. Copy the connection string shown in the dialog. Replace the username and password placeholders with your database user's credentials. Now, log into your Retool account at retool.com. Once logged in, navigate to the Resources section from the left sidebar. Click on Create New and select Resource. Choose MongoDB from the resource types available. In the connection settings, paste the connection string you copied earlier. Ensure the database name is specified in the string, typically at the end. If necessary, provide any additional information, such as authentication settings. Once everything is filled out, click Save. Now, you're ready to create your first Retool app. Go back to the Retool dashboard and click on Create New. Choose App from the options available. From the left sidebar, drag and drop components to build your app interface. Add a query by clicking on New Query. Select the MongoDB resource you just created. You can now enter a MongoDB query using either the visual editor or the code editor. Run the query to see the results populate in your app. Customize the components to display the data as desired. Once everything looks good, preview your app by clicking on Preview. And that's it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.